A dramatic claim has just added a new layer of tension and confusion to an already tense environment. Well, US President Mr. Donald Trump has said that Iran's leadership is reaching out for a ceasefire, even as military operations continue. But here's where it gets more complicated. Iran is denying it completely, stating that no such request has been made. No back-channel plea exists, and no signal for a peace talk has been sent. Now, this creates a striking contrast, right? On one side, a claim of desperation, and on the other, a message of defiance. In the meantime, the whole situation on the ground is anything but calm. Reports indicate that the US operation targeting locations in Tehran are continuing with rising intensity. Well, the conflict remains active, pressure is building, and there is no visible pause. And this raises a key question. If talks of ceasefire are actually real, why does the fighting continue? This is where the whole uncertainty deepens. In conflicts like these, messaging is as powerful as military action. Statements are not just words, they are signals to the allies, adversaries, and the global audience. Well, when two sides present completely different narrative, it does create a lot of confusion and concern. And this is a real attempt at de-escalation, or maybe part of a larger strategy to shape perception here, control the narrative, and influence the next move. Right now, diplomatic signals are mixed. There are no confirmed negotiations, no official announcement of talks, and no clear path to the settlement. Yet, the idea of a ceasefire is still being discussed. Well, this contradiction, it matters because in moments of high tension, clarity can reduce risk, but confusion can increase it. Well, for the global community, this creates a difficult situation as governments and analysts try to understand what really is happening behind the scenes, whether there is any quiet communication that has been made public, or if both the sides are simply holding their position. Well, for the region, the stakes remain high. Every continued strike, it adds pressure. Every unclear signal adds uncertainty, and every conflicting statements, it increases the risk of escalation. The key question now is what happens next? Will there be a real move towards de-escalation? Will back-channel talks emerge, or will the gap between words and actions grow even wider? One thing is clear here. Right now, there are more questions than there are answers. And in a conflict like this, that uncertainty can be just as dangerous as the fighting itself.